Where does it hurt?
Neck and shoulder. Like right here.
그래서 여기가 아프셔갖고 It's okay? Okay, 10 minutes.
Oh, Oma, do you have any points that are sore?
Oh, yes.
Where is-
Absolutely. All
like-
in my neck and shoulders.
Neck and shoulders?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Mainly.
Haniwon is traditional Korean hospital, so that's where they're gonna do like acupuncture and stuff like that. The doctor's very experienced and all that. So we're gonna do that Tuesday. Just let them know where you're
my
hurting.
neck and like shoulders, back.
Do you have any expectations about what it's going to be like?
Hopefully relaxing, take care of some pain issues.
I hope so too.
I'm looking forward to it.
All right, let's go see what it looks like.
Today, I wanted to bring you to a traditional Korean Haniwon, traditional medicine hospital. What do you think about it so far?
Coming in, it's very relaxing. Atmosphere, smells, relaxing, kind of homey.
Homey, yeah. Do you like it so far?
I do, yes.
Have you ever been to any place in the States that was like traditional?
No,
Not really?
Not really.
I don't think because you have that long flight coming up, it might be nice to relieve some of that
Pressure.
So I think what we're going to try to do today is maybe acupuncture. Have you had it done before?
I have, but it's been a long time ago. They give you acupuncture, it's kind of with the needles, so I mean, but
If it works for you, I do think that it's the best option for you here today. So we're gonna talk to the doctor. He does speak a little bit of English, so hopefully that'll make you feel a little bit more comfortable. Because it's a hospital, I think it's important to talk about cost. In the States, if you were gonna get something like acupuncture,
oh wow.
it's not covered by insurance.
No.
Right, because it's not considered like an essential medicine thing, and it's also pretty expensive.
Right.
Right. So how much do you think it's gonna cost today?
Well, in the States it would be expensive, probably anywhere from 500 to maybe,
Whoa.
well, more closer to 1,000, depending
Oh my
on
God.
depending on what you were getting acupuncture.
But here it's definitely gonna be a little bit cheaper, so let's go talk to the doctor and
All
let's see.
All right.
Here we go.
안녕하세요.
시간 플리즈. 어머니는 어디가 많이
Where does it hurt?
Neck and shoulder, like right here.
No headache? 머리 안
No headache, no.
그럼 팔이 이렇게 저리다든지.
No, it's just mainly base of the neck and then like in the shoulders. I don't know if it's like stress.
잠은 잘 주무시나요?
Sleeping's not always good.
어.
I don't sleep soundly. I wake up a lot. No serious medical issues.
She works 2 jobs.
아, 일을
2 jobs.
그럼 주로 what kind of business 벌써?
American Airlines.
It's more like a desk job.
No, work on the ramp.
So moving.
Bringing in the planes.
Do you work out a lot?
Not a lot. Very little. Just mainly work as my exercise.
일하는 것 자체가 좀
Like I don't know if it's arthritis.
그래서 여기가 아프셔갖고
Does that hurt?
Yeah.
여기
Does it hurt there?
Yeah, a little bit.
지금 아픈 데가 어머니 아프신 데가 여기 마스토이드 프로스 여기 아프시죠? 여기
아파요.
Yeah. Definitely in the shoulders.
Yeah.
A little bit. Oh, that causes it to hurt down here. Yeah, in the side, kind of like a cramp.
평소에 아프신 거예요? 아니면 지금 눌러서 아픈 거예요?
Lower back pain is common. Yeah,
로봇.
yeah, it's common.
Have you tried chiropractic before?
No,
For back pain? What kind of treatment have you had?
nothing.
Never?
I've just dealt with the pain. You know, wrist. I don't know if it's like carpal tunnel or if it's just arthritis. But I've dealt with that for a long time too.
카팔타나 오케이. 근데 이런 데도 아프신 거예요, 이런데?
Does it hurt?
Yeah.
이게 연결돼 있는 거고 이렇게. 여기 수축
Okay.
되면서 이제 근육이 여기 이렇게 다
Got you.
쫙 연결돼 있는 거거든요.
Everything connected.
Everything connected. I can see.
오케이, 그래서 제가 치료를 해드릴 텐데 커핑 테라피를 좀 먼저 해드릴게요.
So, do you know cupping therapy? When they heat the cups and they pull the... Is that okay?
Yeah.
그거를
I'll try anything.
I'll check the color. 그다음에 침 넣고.
Cupping and acupuncture.
그다음에 이제
Small adjustments, not anything crazy. Small adjustments.
그다음에
Help with sleep.
오케이. 렛츠
갑시다.
Okay.
정상인들은 노 컬러.
Yeah, mom, your changes color really quickly.
머슬 안에 노폐물 쌓이는 거고 이제 한방적으로 얘기하면 어혈이라고 그래서 blood circulation not good.
Bad materials in your blood. So not good. You don't have like decent oxygen circulation, buildup of lactic acid, things like that. So that's contributing to your pain.
근육 내에 이제 피로 물질들이 많이 쌓여 있는 거를 우리 네거티브 프레셔 음압을 통해서 뼈 쪽으로 이렇게 쫙 당기고 조금만 이렇게 쉬고. 네.
Just wait a minute. How's it feel, mom?
Feels fine.
She's strong person.
뜸 알죠? 뜸. Electric stimulation.
Yeah.
It's okay?
Okay.
Okay, 10 minutes. 이런 거
Any pain?
No? 수건을 이용해서
Relax.
트랙션.
Just stretching.
스트레칭.
Bye, John.
Bye.
이걸 안 깨물면 이게 압력이 높아져서 목이 잘 안 움직여.
So there's some tension in your neck. He's just gonna try to work it out. Just stay relaxed.
내쉬고. 됐다. 천천히 일어나시고 우리 파스를 좀 붙여드리려고.
All right, mom. So how you feel?
I feel good.
You had a couple things done. You had the acupuncture, the cupping, and a little bit of electrical stimulation.
Relaxing. Well, for me, it was relaxing. Just, I feel like I needed it.
Was there anything that hurt at all?
For me, no. I have a pretty high pain tolerance, but it wasn't painful.
Do you think you would try it again?
Oh yes, absolutely.
목을 갖다 막 이렇게 돌리지 말고
네.
천천히
알겠습니다.
이렇게 뭉쳐있는 걸 느끼면서 천천히 이렇게.
오케이.
그 다음에 이제 옆으로도 할 때 옆으로 이제 늘어나듯이 이렇게 쫙
But really slow. Because everything is connected, right?
여기가 뭉친 게 경추하고 다 연결돼. 그렇죠. 그러면 이 근육이 여기까지 움직이거든요. 그래서 목도 많이 편해져.
Keep straight. Assuming don't.
And typically in America, they don't recommend this kind of treatment. They would recommend medicine. Just crack all the time. But
Much rather do non, because I don't take medicines anyways. To start. But that's why I've been dealing with the pain issue. So.
good job, mom.
오케이.
Well done.
Thank
you.
very much. Feel better.
Oh, so.
이거 이렇게 됐어요.
아.
그래서 소화 안 됐고. When the digestive system is not good.
If you're struggling, take 30 or 40 like with water, and then it'll help you digest.
Natural.
Probably need that.
That'll do.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, you guys.